Welcome to Character Conversions. Iron Man. Iron Man's transformation into a racing car. Spider-Man. Spider-Man's transformation into a racing car. Captain America. Captain America's transformation into a racing car. Thor. Thor's transformation into a racing car. Black Panther. Black Panther's transformation into a racing car. Hulk. Hulk's transformation into a racing car. Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange's transformation into a racing car. Wolverine. Wolverine's transformation into a racing car. Deadpool. Deadpool's transformation into a racing car. Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel's transformation into a racing car. Thanos. Thanos' transformation into a racing car. Loki. Loki's transformation into a racing car. Red Skull. Red Skull's transformation into a racing car. Ultron. Ultron's transformation into a racing car. Green Goblin. Green Goblin's transformation into a racing car. Doctor Doom. Doctor Doom's transformation into a racing car. Venom. Venom's transformation into a racing car. Hela. Hela's transformation into a racing car. Killmonger. Killmonger's transformation into a racing car. Magneto. Magneto's transformation into a racing car. Batman. Batman's transformation into a racing car. Superman. Superman's transformation into a racing car. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman's transformation into a racing car. Flash. Flash's transformation into a racing car. Aquaman. Aquaman's transformation into a racing car. Green Lantern. Green Lantern's transformation into a racing car. Cyborg. Cyborg's transformation into a racing car. Shazam. Shazam's transformation into a racing car. Martian Manhunter. Martian Manhunter's transformation into a racing car. Green Arrow. Green Arrow's transformation into a racing car. Joker. Joker's transformation into a racing car. Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor's transformation into a racing car. Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn's transformation into a racing car. Darkseid. Darkseid's transformation into a racing car. Bane's transformation into a racing car. Cheetah. Cheetah's transformation into a racing car. Black Manta. Black Manta's transformation into a racing car. Deathstroke. Deathstroke's transformation into a racing car. Reverse Flash. Reverse Flash's transformation into a racing car. Brainiac. Brainiac's transformation into a racing car. Thank you for watching Character Conversions. We hope you enjoyed these high-speed transformations of Marvel and DC heroes and villains into race cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next transformation adventure.